Let's convert some leftover rice to something more meaningful, shall we? If you have leftover rice and a few little ingredients, let's just do this. I mean, it's Sunday, right? So this is where we are going. First things first, let's infuse some flavor in our oil by frying some plantain. Mind you, if your self-discipline is not top, don't try this. You need to be disciplined to fry your plantain at the beginning of your cooking and finish it. Anyways, this plantain is going to be in a roast shape, so I'm frying it to get what I want. 2 minutes on both sides, and then just take it out, and then we'll continue cooking. The next item on our menu is to prepare our sauce. So the first thing we're putting is the tomato blend, which is tatase, garlic, ginger, onion, and pepper. We're putting in some leftover stew oil, and then we'll fry it with some leftover meat, that's fish, shaki, and beef. Mix it properly and then cover it to cook, and then add salt and seasoning cube. Mix again and cover it to cook, and then we introduce a little bit of spices. I'm using Kem's pepper soup spice and one more spice. You don't go away. That's cardamom, and that's the pepper soup spice. Now the next thing we're adding as our flavor is optional, but if you have it, go ahead and use it. That is my coconut powder. Yay! I love coconut. My husband loves coconut, so anything with coconut we're in. Ideally, you should mix it with cold water, but if you're a pro like me, go ahead and just pour it and then dissolve it. We will take out our meat because it's already cooked. Remember, it's left over, so that we will not kill the flavor and the taste. But we've gotten what we want in our sauce. Then we mix everything, add a little chopped pepper, and cover it to cook. And then we have some boiled egg. Remember, it is left over, so you just use whatever you have to get the best of your Sunday rice. So cover it to steam and gain some flavor, and then bring it out. And then now we're bringing the main guy. I'm saying the main guy because there's something else. Don't go. Wait. This rice was saffron rice at the initial. It was just white rice with stew, but we are converting it now to Sunday special rice, isn't it? So turn everything and mix it properly. You see, at this point that you are watching, if you're beginning to get value and you're beginning to learn something already, you should like this video. You should start commenting and be saying something fantastic, and then be ready to share it, because I know that somebody out there needs this video to make their leftover rice fantastic. You know what I mean now? So we cover it and let it steam for a bit. No extra water needed. Then we'll pour our vegetable. And this last guy you saw me putting is the game changer. Of all the ingredients. That is dambu nama, chicken floss. Hey, just don't even do anything. Just pour it, cover it, and let it simmer a bit with all the remaining family members that you have taken out. And now, hey, Yara. Oh my goodness, look at this rice. You look at it. You only go do now. Take out all those things if you want to be fancy, and then mix it all over again to get that sparkling flavor and everything. In fact, it was not even intended to be this fantastic. It was just a leftover concoction, But look at. So now you that you have seen it, are you not going to share it? Have you even liked this video? Anyways, this is how I plated it for my odogu. Some rolls, some eggs, some shaki, some beef. I don't care about the issues of life. This is how I ate my own. Have you enjoyed this video? Have you clicked like? Have you commented? Are you willing to share? Anyways, this is what our Sunday rice ended up to be. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.